Hi everyone! Welcome sa aking channel at ngayon isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa ang aking chocolate moist cake with whipped cream ganache frosting. Ang recipe ko ngayon na isi-share ko ay double recipe. Unlike yung nasa live ko sa Facebook page ay one recipe lang yon. Para sa whipped cream ganache frosting, uunahin natin pag-prepare ang ating ganache. Kumuha lang tayo ng 300 grams na chocolate bar. Ang gamit ko ay Barrel's chocolate bar, yung brand. Then, i-cut lang ito into cubes or pwedeng hindi na. At ilagay ko lang sa baking pan or pwede sa microwavable na bowl para lang sa gagamitin natin itong pang melt sa ating chocolate bar. Then, add 1/2 cup of hot water. Pero 1/4 yung cup na ginagamit ko, kaya dalawang 1/4 cup ang nilagay kong hot water. At magpakulo tayo ng tubig at ipapatong natin ang ating chocolate bar. Ito ang tinatawag na double boiler method. Pero pag meron kayong microwave, mas mabuti. Doon nyo na lang imi-melt ang ating chocolate bar. After ilang minuto ay nami-melt na ang ating chocolate bar at palamigin lang natin ito. Imi-mix lang para rin lumamig at mawala na yung kanyang buo-buong chocolate. Kung nagtaka kayo guys kung bakit hot water ang kinumbine ko sa ating chocolate bar, hindi whipping cream na kadalasan ginagamit natin for ganache, pwede rin na whipping cream ang gamitin nyo. Optional lang ito kung gusto nyo ng water or whipping cream. Itong ganache na ginagawa ko ngayon, ito ay tinatawag na water ganache. Pwede rin itong pang filling or frosting sa ating mga cakes, lalong-lalo na yung mga chocolate moist cake or pang drippings sa ating chocolate drip cake. Hayan, dahan-dahan ang lumamig ang ating ganache at iset aside lang natin ito. Then, next nating i-prepare ang ating whipping cream. Vivo whipping cream ang gagamitin ko ngayon para sa ating frosting. Sa magtatanong kung pwede ba kahit anong brand, yes, pwede. At kumuha lang tayo ngayon ng 2 cups of whipping cream. Then, i-whip lang natin ito from low speed to high speed gamit ang ating stand mixer. Kung wala kayong stand mixer, pwedeng gumamit ng hand mixer. At mag-add tayo ng 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Optional lang din ang paglagay ng powdered sugar. Depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo ng mas matamis-tamis pa ang ating whipped cream or pwede hindi na kasi matamis naman ang ating chocolate bar na ilalagay natin sa ating whipping cream. I mean yung ganache na ginawa natin kanina. At kung bago ka pa sa channel ko, please huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe at pindutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga bago kong uploads. At pagkatapos ma-whip ang ating whipping cream, ito na siya ngayon, nag-double volume na siya. At i-fold na natin ang ating ganache sa ating whipping cream. Dahan-dahan lang sa pag-fold. Dapat hindi ma-overfold para maiwasan natin ma-overmix ang ating mixture. Kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit hindi ko sinali yung ganache natin sa pagbit ng ating whipped cream, hindi talaga dapat siya pwedeng i-beat kasama sa ating whipped cream. Dapat i-fold lang natin para hindi bumagsak ang ating mixture. Itong ating frosting, itong whipped cream ganache frosting. Para mas darker pa ang ating whipped cream ganache frosting, mag-add lang tayo ng food color, yung brown, para chocolate talaga siya tingnan. At kung meron pa kayong mga tanong, please comment lang kayo sa baba at huwag kayong mahiyang magtanong. O ayan, ito na ang ating whipped cream ganache frosting at ready na natin siyang i-frost sa ating cake. Ang gamit nating cake ngayon ay syempre chocolate moist cake. Ang recipe nito ay na-vlog ko na. Sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, ilagay ko yung link sa description box. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong panunood at pagsuporta sa aking YouTube channel. Kahit na live ko na ito sa aking Facebook page, para naman ito sa mga hindi pa nakapanood at hindi pa nakafollow sa aking Facebook page. Kasi minsan nagla-live ako doon, kaya i-follow nyo din ako sa aking Facebook page, itong Love Cakes. Thank you so much guys sa inyong panonood at panoorin nyo lang itong video to hanggang matapos dahil nagpo-frost lang ako ngayon dito sa aking mga cakes na mga order. Bale 4 pieces lahat ito. Ang size ay mga 6 by 2 ang cake. Then nilagyan ko pa ito ng filling, then frosting, kaya ang sukat na nito is 6 by 3. Thank you. Bye-bye.
For me, it was a normal work day, so finishing work, picking up both boys and heading to the beach. We didn't really have that much time to just chill and play. We really needed to get some food in our stomach. So yeah, 20 minutes of doing that, and then it was time to decide what to eat. And for me, yeah, there's quite a few options, I guess, but for the boys, the queue to eat was pretty short, but took a long time. And so I ended up getting the boys something to drink while we waited. And yeah, Callum doesn't like being filmed. I'll get him later. I do like the marina, and I'll do a proper vlog on it later, but it wasn't the intention to actually go here. The intention was to go to the beach, the proper beach, but there was a cold wind blowing, and it's not something cheesecake. And yeah, it just didn't work out. So it's nice and sheltered here. So yeah, but waiting for food, oh my god.
One eternity later.
Finally, starvation averted, and poor little Noah, he got his plate and his expression's priceless. It's too hot, poor little guy, and he really hates it. Even if you blow on the food and try and give it to him, he doesn't like people doing that for him. So unless you got a fridge, which you don't there, it's kind of, he has to wait. But I love, you know, playing around and making faces with him and all that kind of thing. And I think one of the things that impressed me most this day is how much Callum is a big brother to him, how much he looked after him. You know, you can see him here trying to cool his food down for him. He held his hand. He just looks after him. It's a really amazing thing to see, especially in video, because you see the things that sometimes you'll just miss. But yeah, proud dad.